Let's talk about the symphony orchestra. The orchestra consists of groups of different instrument families in varying combinations. The strings, woodwinds, brass, percussion, and less commonly, keyboards. The text includes a recording of the work The Young Person's Guide to the Orchestra by Benjamin Britten. It is a long work, but take the time to listen to it. It is an outstanding introduction to all the instruments of the orchestra that we will examine over the next few sessions. Aside from the performers, another important person in the orchestra is the conductor. The conductor is the person who helps keep the music organized and makes decisions as to how it's to be played. Like an individual performer, the conductor determines the ensemble's interpretation and communicates it to the players. Here's a brief example of legendary conductor Leonard Bernstein leading an orchestra in performance. When we think of an orchestra, many times the first instruments that come to mind are the strings. String instruments are chordophones. They produce their sound by stretching strings between 2 points, then vibrating them by strumming, plucking, or bowing. A bow is a curved piece of wood with synthetic or real horsehair stretched across it. The string player pulls the hair of the bow over the string to create the sound. There are many different kinds of string instruments that date back thousands of years. The 4 standard orchestral string instruments from highest pitch to lowest pitch are the violin, probably the best known of the orchestral strings. The viola. It looks very similar to the violin, but is slightly larger and pitched lower. The cello, and the double bass. You will also find the harp in an orchestra, though it is less common than the other instruments. Another very common and popular string instrument is the guitar. It can be acoustic or electric and is used in many different genres, from pop to classical and international music. The book has several musical examples of the string instruments. Listen to these examples to see how different and similar string instruments can be.